Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we are playing some more Roblox. Today we are going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. And if you give this video a like, we will maybe, it's up to you guys, make it into a series. I don't need the tutorial. I'll play this on my old account. Okay. Next. I know how to play this game. So you do this, and then you like want to place down how your boat's gonna be. So I'm gonna go boom, 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 and then this right here. And since that's all I have, we sit down, we launch our boat, and then we want to go for treasure. You can hook up with other teams, but Yellow looks like they're gonna make some stuff, but yeah, shop. You can buy these things that can get you yeah, like I can now build this. Let's buy another one. Ooh, that's nice. So now we have those extra things to. No, I don't know what it looks. How much is it? 84. I am good, but get this thing out of my way. So see where we make it. Go and through. Whoa, we just made it through the rock. Through the thing. Oh wow, we just lost a piece. So yeah, sometimes you will lose a piece, but it is kind of worth it, I guess. I don't know if it is. Here's some more hard rocks. Oh, we're in snow. I think that's snow. Oh, I don't know. It's hard. Fall through. Ah! No! I fell. I got 8 gold. Oh, is it then you buy the treasure chests? With that gold you, like, got? It's like, buy gold. I got one of those. But that's the cool thing about it. So now when we build, we have all these materials we can build with. So I'm gonna go boom. Boom. Boom, 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 and I'm gonna place this thing right here, and then this thing is gonna go turn it there, and then we're gonna block ourselves from falling like that. Place this right that. See how we sit though. There you go. Okay, now so we would turn this to make it. Boom. Alright, let's try that. See how we sit. Yep, perfect. Let's go! Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Oh, well, that just came off. It's okay. How's you guys' day been going so far? Mine's been going great. Staying home from school, because I'm a little sick. Other stuff I can't tell you guys. But, you know, sorry if you hear music in the background. It's my mom. Or is that my mom? Or is that my tablet? I don't know. Sorry if it's probably loud for a second. Oh, it's my tablet ringing. It's an alarm. It's just gonna have to go. Because I don't want to have to go get it. But, if you guys don't hear music, then that's good. But, and strolling on my little, whatever this thing would be. Oh, I lost pieces. I didn't even notice. That's the part, like, you don't when you don't notice when you lose your pieces of your boat thing. Oh no! Ah! Get on the rock! Darn it! I got 8 gold. Darn it! Darn it! Darn it! All right, I know how to build this now. I know what to do. So we are going. If I can get to the place. Let's go. 1, 2, let's almost up 3, 4, 5, 6. That. And then we're gonna take the table thingy, put it right here. These things are gonna go. Oh wait. And then we're gonna place this thing right here with this and that and then that. Let's go. So this should protect us a little more because we have this thing that would probably go first, and then this stuff, and then the only one that's not on the yellow team. Where is the yellow team? Oh, they're right there. What are they building? What is that? Oh, I'm saving up. I'm not buying one of these because I'm saving up for this thing is 15 gold, which is not that bad to me. But anyway, comment down below, how has your day been going? Is it like raining, snowing, hailing at your house, or is it just a nice sunny day? Or is there like snow on the ground or something? Or is it very wet there? Well, currently for me there's snow on the ground. So look at that booty. Look at that booty. Look at me. I lost it. Are we still gonna go? We're still going. Oh, whoa. Oh no. Oh no. Plus 8 gold. Okay, so we have enough for this. So we buy the, and then what we got? 5 of those. Oh, these are nice. So these are titanium things. 2 of those. Another one of those. And that's all. We almost have enough for another one. Well, for a 5 gold one. But now we can do this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why am I naked too? 8. And then we're gonna place this. Nope, this. Right there. And then we're gonna place this, and then this is gonna be like this, and then now it's gonna go here. It's just for safety, though. No, I don't want to sit there. That's not safety. There you go. And head off. Nope. Where's the button? There it is. Head off. I wonder, like, if you don't have to be in it, you can just let your boat go. But it says, see, like it says, a boat for trash. And probably, oh, okay. But, you know, don't you think that hurt? It's like my foot's stuck in the thing, if you can see that. Like that, see that? That's kind of weird. Get some gold. I want 7,000 gold. 700 gold. I'm gonna guess that's 5. That's 1,100. Oh, that's so. How much would I have left? 14. That's 2. Double the gold. That's 44 out of 70. What are these? Chicken for 150 Robux? No. The only thing I really want is this, but it'd be this. But yeah, that looks weird. What the? There's a throne. Why is there a cannon? Oh my! Oh! Wow. Hey, we're still in the same piece, I think. We just lost. Oh, we just lost these 3. Jeez, someone's boat fell apart. Mine's still going, and mine was like worse than yours. Is this someone's? Oh no. Oh, we lost another piece. We're still good. We're still going. We're still going. I think we didn't get past this part. Oh yes, we did. And then we have to go through like this sky snow part. Alright, we've gone to that. It's probably another one. I don't know. It's very weird. Like, how come I'm naked? Like, that's so weird. Like, it's in actual real life. I'm naked. Where's my clothes? But it's one of those glitches. Oh, whoa, this is a new room. So, it's like bunches of, like, whatever these things are. I don't know what those things are called. We're going good, though. We're going good. Good so far. So we have a rock. Oh, we're gonna hit the rock and probably die. See that rock right there? Or this one? That's the one. Oh, there's the third. That's the one we're probably gonna hit. We're probably gonna get a lot of gold, like a lot, because... Oh, wait, did we... Oh, that hit it. That's like the rock remover. Yes, that's good. That's good. That means that I'll probably be going for a while. But that's all this lava. I mean, it will destroy that one. Like, does it destroy the rocks? It does. It does it for me. Oh no! Please don't get stuck. Please don't get stuck. What the? Where'd that come from? Where are those coming from? Oh my eye! It sounds like it sounded like bleh. It sounded like I said my eye. No, it's probably loud. Who knows? Oh, you guys! Oh my gosh! That's crazy. That's too much. It's just more rocks. Yeah, it's more rocks. Or are we moving into that? And then there's our rock remover doing the job. Oh no. But it's already past here. What's past here? Oh wow. Oh yeah, destroy those. Can totally get here. Okay, so how long does this go? We're so close. Oh, please don't die. Look how close we are. Like, I think we have to be there for a surprise. It's gonna be a lot of gold. You never know, but let's go. Let's hope. What's out of here? What's out of here? It's destroying goods. It's destroying stuff. Oh no. Oh no. We only have that. That'd suck if we didn't make this. We have to get to this, to that, to that. This is kind of taking a little. Okay, we made it past. Are we gonna make it? What the? Oh, are we just gonna? It says a hunt for treasure, and this is what. And this is what you get. Is this a serious, bruh? Don't touch the water. Are we good? No, we're sliding. What the? Oh, well, I got obliterated. Oh, so much gold! I know what I'm gonna buy. What's this? Buy 35? Man! I like 2. One? Really? Just one? Bruh. Oh! New pieces. Oh, we got whatever that is. And then let's do not another one. Another one. Okay. I think I'm glitched a little. So sorry if you kind of see like a little glitches. But some of like the maybe like the treasure parts might be cut out, but if it is, I got this from, and I got 150 gold, which I guess is pretty good. But if you did see it, then I just told you that for no reason, but you probably did. Yeah. But yeah, Alright guys, that is going to wrap up this recording today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notifications. And like the video would be greatly appreciated. So I'll see you all tomorrow around noon. Bye!